Woodworking is an age-old craft that has stood the test of time, and it continues to be one of the most fulfilling and rewarding hobbies you can undertake today. But as with any craft, having the right tools can make all the difference. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, having a carefully curated collection of must-have woodworking tools is crucial to achieving the best results possible. In this blog post, we'll be discussing 10 essential woodworking tools that can change your life and make your woodworking projects a breeze. From the humble handsaw to the all-powerful table saw, each tool on this list has been tried and tested by experts in the field. We'll be exploring the features and benefits of each tool, as well as offering some tips and advice on how to use them effectively. If you're looking to take your woodworking skills to the next level, or simply want to start your woodworking journey off on the right foot, this blog post is for you, so grab a one. Circular saw, perfect for straight cuts. A circular saw is a must-have tool in any woodworker's arsenal, and it's perfect for making straight cuts quickly and accurately. This versatile tool can handle a wide range of tasks, from ripping boards to cutting plywood sheets and trimming lumber. You can use it to make crosscuts, bevel cuts, and even plunge cuts, making it an essential tool for any woodworking project. With its powerful motor and sharp blade, a circular saw can cut through thick stock with ease, saving you time and effort. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, a circular saw is an essential tool that will make your woodworking projects more efficient and precise. 2. Jigsaw. Cut irregular shapes easily. As a woodworking enthusiast, you are always on the lookout for innovative tools that will make your projects easier and more precise. One such tool that should be in every woodworker's arsenal is the jigsaw. This versatile power tool allows you to quickly and easily cut irregular shapes in a variety of materials, including wood, metal, and plastic. With its adjustable blade and variable speed controls, the jigsaw can handle a multitude of cutting tasks with ease. Whether you are a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, the jigsaw is a must-have tool that will change the way you approach your woodworking projects. So add a high-quality jigsaw to your toolkit and start cutting your way to precision and creativity. 3. Router. Create intricate designs effortlessly. As a woodworker, having the right tools is essential to ensure precision, accuracy, and efficiency in your work. One of the must-have tools in your arsenal of woodworking equipment is a router. With this tool, you can effortlessly create intricate designs in your woodwork, which would otherwise be difficult or impossible to achieve using traditional tools. A router works by spinning a cutting bit at high speeds, which allows you to make cuts, grooves, and shapes in your woodwork. The versatility of a router lets you create a wide variety of designs, including decorative edges, dados, rabbets, and many more. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, a router is an indispensable tool that can take your woodworking skills to the next level. 4. Table saw. Rip boards accurately. The table saw is one of the most essential tools for any woodworking project. When it comes to ripping boards, this tool is unmatched in its accuracy and precision. With its powerful motor and adjustable blade height, the table saw can slice through thick boards with ease, while also making quick work of thinner stock. Whether you're building furniture or just cutting down lumber for your next project, the table saw is a must-have item in any workshop. Its versatility and ease of use make it an indispensable tool that will help you save time and effort on all your woodworking projects. With its ability to make straight and accurate cuts, the table saw is a tool that will change the way you work and allow you to take your woodworking to the next level. 5. Chisels. Perfect for carving details. Chisels are an essential tool for any woodworking enthusiast, especially for those who are passionate about carving details. Chisels are versatile tools that can be used for a variety of tasks, such as carving intricate designs, shaping wood, and creating joints. They come in different shapes and sizes, from narrow to wide, and from straight to curved. Chisels are typically made of high-quality steel, which makes them durable and long-lasting. When properly sharpened and maintained, they can make clean and precise cuts, allowing you to achieve perfect details on your woodworking projects. If you're looking to elevate your woodworking skills and create more intricate designs, then chisels are a must-have tool in your workshop. 6. Hand planes. Smooth, rough wood surfaces. Hand planes are a must-have tool for any serious woodworker looking to achieve a smooth and professional finish on their projects. The hand plane is a simple tool that allows you to shave away thin layers of wood from the surface of your project, leaving a smooth and even surface behind. Hand planes are particularly useful when working with rough lumber or when you need to smooth out any imperfections in your woodworking project. With a little bit of practice and patience, you can easily master the use of hand planes and achieve beautiful results that will bring your woodworking projects to the next level. Overall, hand planes are a versatile and essential tool that every woodworker should have in their arsenal. 7. Cordless drill. Make pilot holes easily. A cordless drill is an essential tool for any woodworking enthusiast or professional. With the ability to make pilot holes easily, this tool will simplify any woodworking project. A pilot hole is a small hole drilled into the wood before inserting a screw or nail. This process ensures that the screw or nail goes in straight and does not split the wood. A cordless drill is a must-have tool for any woodworking project that involves attaching pieces of wood together. It provides the user with the freedom to move around without being tethered to a power source. With its portability and convenience, a cordless drill is a game changer in the woodworking industry. It allows for greater efficiency and accuracy, making it an indispensable tool for any woodworker. 8. Random orbital sander. Sand like a pro. When it comes to sanding, a random orbital sander is an absolute must-have woodworking tool. This versatile machine is designed to provide a smooth and even finish, making it ideal for a wide range of sanding applications. With a powerful motor and a random orbital motion, it can remove material quickly and efficiently, without leaving behind swirl marks or other imperfections. Whether you're working on a large-scale project or a small DIY task, a random orbital sander can help you achieve professional quality results with ease. So if you're serious about woodworking, make sure to add this essential tool to your collection today. 9. Clamps. Keep pieces in place. Clamps are an essential tool for any woodworking project. They keep pieces in place, allowing for precise cuts and measurements. There are many different types of clamps available, each designed for specific applications. Spring clamps are great for quick and easy clamping, while bar clamps are ideal for larger projects. C-clamps and pipe clamps are also useful for holding pieces together during glue-ups. When selecting clamps, consider the size and weight of your project, as well as the pressure needed to hold the pieces in place. With a good set of clamps, you can achieve the perfect fit and finish for your woodworking project. 10. Miter saw. Make precise angled cuts. A miter saw is an essential power tool for any woodworker, and it is a must-have for creating precise angled cuts. This tool is designed to make crosscuts and miter cuts with ease, making it an indispensable tool for carpentry and woodworking projects. With a miter saw, you can make precise cuts with accuracy, which is essential when working on furniture, cabinets, and other woodworking projects that require precision. This tool is versatile and can be used to cut a variety of materials including wood, metal, and even plastic. Whether you are a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, a miter saw is an indispensable tool that will change your woodworking experience forever. To conclude, the right set of tools can make any woodworking project a lot easier and more enjoyable. The 10 tools listed in this post are essential for any woodworking enthusiast. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, it's important to invest in high-quality tools that are